went down on the quad. He went down on the quad. Pretty hard. Look at everyone, all the gang out right now. Alright, I think we're about to hit the loop right now. Yo, homie got the mini. I don't even know what that is, dude. But we're out. We're in the back of the frickin' pack right now. Boy, chilling. Both the quads bulling out here. Let's go. Hey, ah! What happened? It's a goddamn boar, dog. Yo, it's so crazy. It's so funny. Yo, holy smokes, brother. Yeah, you good? Homie went down on the quad. He went down on the quad. Pretty hard.
Got that, bro?
I was in a wheelie, but I got like, I put it down right when you're flipping, so I don't know how much. But it looked gnarly.
Yo, Tay, let me know how much it is, bro, and I got you, dude.
Putting the quad up in the truck. That was gnarly. Woo! Bro, this is so crazy how it just flosses like that, bro. Yeah, you chilling. It's crazy. Bro, what the hell? And he's on a 2-stroke. Let's go. I missed the high five, man. She getting it though. There it is. Bro, freaking onk dog. He scares the crap. Look, he gets so close. Woo! Shee! That was nice. I'm glad you're good, bro. Yeah. I always get it. Yeah. It's getting a little feisty out here. God damn.
I thought it was gonna take it easy.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. I'm trying to chill before. Let's see some work on that big ass sport bike, dog. Oh my god, this thing is so sketchy. I ain't gonna lie, homie sketches me out, but he gets it. He gets it done, bro. He gets the job done, and that's all that matters, right? At the end of the day, oh my. I told you, he gets the job done, dog. How you doing? Hell yeah, bro. On the big 2-stroke.
Oh yeah, I just got her yesterday. I'm breaking her in.
You got it yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Damn, so this is brand new.
Brand spanking new.
Damn.
I'm using a 4-stroke guy, 150.
Okay. Yeah, it's a whole different, the 2-stroke world, a whole different world.
Yeah, I know, this bike is, woo.
But once you get used to it, it's so fun just playing around with the freaking band, you know? Yeah, just
I'm scared.
No, yeah, you'll get there, bro.
125, the CR 125, and it's a little bit different than this.
Woo! You're definitely getting used to that thing. Bro, brand new 2-stroke. Oh, ow, fuck. I just got hit by some shit, bro. Ow, that hurt. Dude. We're on the two-stroke getting nasty, bruh. It's so fun just riding through the pack, bro, seeing everyone floss out. Oh, what the hell? He's on a 4-stroke. He was on the 2-stroke earlier. Woo! 100 grand Mike. Bro, I felt that 2-stroke hitting me. Hey, let's go. Thank you. Let's see it. He said he used to watch me as a rookie. Okay. Oh, he's still learning. But hey, he got to though. He's chilling right there. You know, just flying away, you know. I thought I was about to fly into the sky, dog. Hey, thank you, bro. Let's see some work on your new DRZ. Bro, 2023 DRZ 400 right there, bro. Brand new, off the freaking dealership, and he brought it out here and straight shredding it. That's what we like to see. Well, the 2-stroke 85, let's go. Bro, you never see 85 RMs really. Yeah, that thing sounds like it's hitting though. I ain't gonna lie, I've been watching Ken Roscoe on Supercross, and that yellow sort of hitting for me, bro. God damn, Rip Turtle coming in wild. Bro, I tried so hard to reach for him. Oh, about cut me off, man. But that's what it's saying. Like, when you're in the pack, you gotta be dialed, bro, because someone could go a little bit in front of you while you're going. You gotta put your thing down, bro, because you do not want to hit them. Bro, he was just tuning that bit in the stand-up. Let's go. Grom killer out here, bro. Alrighty, gang, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got merch in the description down below. I freaking love you. Stay motivated. Till next time, gang. Peace.